Okay, guys, for your vocab quiz, you're going to explain what the words mean and why those words are being used. So, here's what an answer might look like. Here's your first question. They give you a passage from the story. Then it says, "What does Thurber mean when he describes Dr. Renshaw as distraught and haggard? Why is Dr. Renshaw so distraught?" Your answer should be written in complete sentences using words from the question. So here's my answer, and I'm only doing one video for the vocab quiz, so you can feel free to copy me on this one. When Thurber describes Dr. Renshaw as distraught, he means that he is very stressed out and looks like a mess. He is distraught because he's unable to save his patient and needs Dr. Mitty's help. So do you see that these should be about 2 sentences long, and they should answer both what the word means and why that word is used. So please make sure you're answering both parts of these questions, otherwise you'll only get half credit.